Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a circle in Photoshop with radius. Let's begin. I have already created a new document. Then select Shape tool, right click, Ellipse tool, Fill or without fill. Example use fill shape. Then just on click. Then width radius 15 pixels or 100 pixels as you wish. Use 100 pixels. Then 2 pixels 200 pixels 200 pixels from center. Hold control, align middle, and again apply the same process. Create a new layer without fill. 200. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.